So meal one, baked fish, homemade mac and cheese, and broccoli and carrots. So the first thing we want to do is preheat our oven, get our water boiling to cook the pasta. Because we're doing a homemade macaroni and cheese, I like to actually do a different type of pasta, not just elbow macaroni. That way everybody knows you made it from scratch. I like to do like a cavatappi. This one is a corkscrew pasta. Just got a little bit more bite to it. And like I said, it lets people know that it is definitely homemade. We'll just get that pasta cooking in the water with the oil, salt, and pepper. So our pasta came down. I just rinsed it quickly with the cold water to not take away the salt. We just cooked it just shy of being done. That way, as it's baking, it's soaking up some of that nice cheese sauce. We got our cheese sauce. I just put it right back into the same pot that I boiled the pasta in. Warming up our can of cheese sauce, cheddar cheese sauce. I'm gonna add just a touch of milk to it. I like to do that just to thin the cheese down a little bit. We'll just bring that up to warm it up. We'll add our pasta in, top it with the cheddar cheese and breadcrumbs, and we'll get that baking. Okay, so as soon as our pasta gets in the oven, we want to get our fish prepared, ready to go in the oven. I went today with the thought of getting tilapia fillets, but they had a great deal on the salmon, and I guess I've been having a hankering for some salmon. You can do any type of fish you would like. There's often those tilapia fillets which are individually cryovac. Those make a good mild white fish. Spread some oil down on the foil just to make sure that nothing sticks. I'm going to place my fillets on here. I'm just going to zest some lemon and put some lemon slices on top. Brush it with the oil a little bit again and some salt and pepper. Macaroni in the oven. We've got our fish in the oven. I'm just going to whittle on our carrots here. Hey, look, we graduated to big carrots. I didn't buy baby carrots this week. I peeled these guys, and I'm just going to cut them on a bias here real quick. I've got our water going. It's heavily salted, just like when we cooked that cauliflower. I've got my carrots cut here. I'm just going to pop those on my plate. I'm just going to drop these in the water to cook first because the broccoli will not take near as long to cook as your carrots. I'm going to give them about a 1 minute head start. Then I'll throw the broccoli in. This is going to be a quick deal here, okay? Like we talked about in that cauliflower. As soon as it comes back to a boil, we know our vegetables are done. We don't want to overcook them. We want to pull them out real fast, okay? Also, just letting you know, for your stock, you can also save carrot scraps as well. Just don't add too much into your stock because the beta carotene in the carrots can discolor your stock. Plus, you're going to add a lot of extra sweetness to it. So if you save some, don't say broccoli. If you save some carrot scraps, go for it. Like I said, just take it easy. Don't put a whole lot in your stock. I'm going to cut up the little florets on the broccoli here, and then we'll drop the carrots in. All right, so here's meal one. Just came out of the oven. Our nice lemon baked salmon, our homemade macaroni and cheese, and I just drained the water out from my vegetables. I'm going to pop them into the bowl. See how they're not overcooked. They still got their nice vibrant color to them. And the salted water makes them nice and flavorful. You don't need to add anything extra to them unless you want to put them with some butter, but you got plenty of fattening stuff in this macaroni and cheese, so I just kept mine nice and simple. There you have meal one.